It's been 2 days without us having a decent meal. On Christmas Eve, we decided to go out and treat ourselves to a very decent meal. Welcome to beautiful Buffalo.
Badges on the beat.
I'm so grateful that I get to meet great people today that I believe I could have never met in my life if we were not in this situation. So, since it's Christmas season, we are all trying to be positive and make the best out of the situation. We decided to go ahead and stated what we were thankful for. Here we go.
Did you start?
Yes.
I'm thankful that I can breathe today.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Naya.
Okay. Next.
I'm thankful that I'm alive. I'm Adrian.
Good.
I'm Rosie, and I'm thankful for everyone here.
Good.
Colleen, I'm thankful for my crew.
Good. Now it's you.
I'm Robert. I'm thankful for my crew. I'm thankful with a bunch of fun people to spend Christmas with.
Nice.
I'm Matthew, and I'm thankful for our awesome crew to make this a little bit better, and I'm thankful for the cocktails.
Good.
I'm
Yes.
Taylor, and I'm thankful we got great new friends to spend this Christmas Eve with.
Good.
I'm Ethan. I'm thankful for Delta Airlines.
Okay, good.
I'm Jessica, and I'm glad I'm not stranded here alone.
Good. Hey, Megan.
Hi, what am I doing?
What are you thankful for?
What am I thankful for? I'm thankful for you guys. You keeping me company, and I'm not stuck by myself on Christmas crying.
Aww.
I'm Kenny, and I'm thankful for cold beer. I'm Rick, and I'm thankful for Malbec.
Good.
I'm Amy. I'm thankful we have heat and electricity.
Oh, good. Hey, I'm thankful for everybody. Cheers to getting stuck. Okay, now you had it. Everybody had a very beautiful reason for what they're thankful for. At this moment, we finished eating our dinner and we're going to explore the city and check what's out there. Wish us luck, guys.
Zero Quest, thank you.
That was great.
Oh, Holy Night, that's a big song. Here, let me take my shirt. Let me take my like
Get comfortable.
like thing off. Okay. Oh, Holy Night, are you serious?
That's like, I know.
Yeah. Who wants to sing it? Who's gonna sing it? Hit it, girl. Sing it. I don't know the words. Oh, fuck, I don't know. It's so hard. It's hard.
It's so hard, you know.
How about Jingle Bells?
You're doing awesome.
What about Jingle Bells? Rock, Jingle Bells. Jingle Bell Rock.
Not yet. Not yet.
No, we're saying like
I can't play any music
Not
whatsoever. I can't
not
play any.
What the heck is going on here?
Sir, I don't know what the heck is going on here either. When we thought we only have one person who knows how to play the piano, boom, there comes another one with another surprise.
Abercrombie all of a sudden playing classical music over there. Hey, you never know who could be into it, right? Oh no, I know. This is like this is the Tom Brady. The Tom Brady of Delta Airlines. Tom Brady of Delta Airlines here. Oh, damn it. Look at this guy.
You didn't tell us this.
Yeah, it's
He
like
said that on your one song.
mesmerizing.
No, keep going.
No, you know Christmas.
Okay guys, what's Christmas without snowball fighting? Let's get into it.
Fun to have on video. Do you have that on video?
Yeah. Joy got it.
I got it.
And I hit him with a snowball right in the down. Like that was
Oh,
they
you're
were gonna
approaching
like
now.
Is he okay?
they're like you.
You stay here?
Yeah, Oak Street.
You got stuck over there? You like flew in or
Oh my god, guys, this is our hotel. This is the entrance. Oh my lord. Thank you.